Hi, I'm Andy Walker and I'd like to tell you a little bit about what's on this second part of my landscape course. This is Watercolor Landscapes Part 2, and I'd like to just show you some of the things that we're going to be doing in this course that are going to help you with your landscape painting. I'll show you how you can put water into a landscape. So we'll be looking at various ways that we can do this in various types of water, from puddles to reflections in lakes to waterfalls, so we get the feel of moving water. And I want to look as well at how we can paint seas, how we can paint waves in the sea, and how we can create the feeling of crashing foam as well. So that's water. We'll then also have a look at how we put buildings into our landscape, and I'll show you various different ways of doing that, quick ways of producing different sorts of buildings, different sorts of the feel of the architecture. We'll look at windows and we'll look at doors and walls and see how we can fit all of those into our landscapes to make them look natural and to make them look as if they should be there. We'll even have a go at a street scene with lots of houses put together and see how we do that. And of course, people are one of the things that cause a lot of problems with painters, but I want to show you some very simple ways of putting people into landscapes as well, just to complete your pictures. So these are various elements that you can use to increase your skill level, really, of painting landscapes. So I hope you enjoy the course. Have a go at it. It's very practical, and the main thing is just to have a go at painting the pictures. And as we do that, as we practice and practice and work at them, it becomes second nature, and it means that we can go out and we can paint anything that we want to. So why don't you have a go at this second part of the course. It follows on from Watercolor Landscapes Part 1, so if you haven't done that, go and do that one first. And then with these two courses together, I hope I've given you all the techniques that you'll need to be able to paint landscapes.